I've been thinking a lot lately about belonging and my life with animals. To some people, it may seem a lonely kind of existence, living in the middle of the forest in this old farmhouse where bad weather can keep you shut in for days. But for me, I am never lonely because I have my animals. I think right from the start, even as a child, I never truly felt as though I belonged. Somehow, I was never quite understood. But maybe we all feel that way from time to time. I do know to be with others and not belong is a lonely feeling. But to be with animals and never second guess that you belong is a very wonderful feeling indeed. Unlike humans, animals will always accept you, no matter what you present them with. They never judge or criticize or think badly about you. The older I get, the less I care about any of that anyway. I do my best to change and improve, but I'm getting to that stage of you can't teach an old dog new tricks. Isn't it marvelous we are all made so differently? While others may thrive amongst groups of people, I thrive best alone. I think there are two types of introverts. There are those who prefer their own company, or maybe with just that one or two special people, but always enjoy being social, even if it's only occasionally. Then there are introverts who are all that and antisocial. That is not me. I like people, but I am not overly social, and certainly prefer spending time alone, or at least alone with my animals, if any of that makes any sense. Maybe the true reason behind being an introvert is not having to face disappointing people or not meeting with their expectations, feeling like you failed somehow. I don't know, but I do know it is important to embrace who you are and to love yourself and to surround yourself with beings who see you in that same light, whether they are people or animals. go along and tell you the story of every animal here and tell you about their tragic past. Tell you how many of the horses had reached the end of the line. Humans can be very cruel, but that is the past, and I do not believe in dwelling on the past. Today is for living. Today is about finding joy in the little things. I will always try and take joy. I suppose the past is always with us, no matter how much we want to pretend it's not. Just look into the eyes of any soul and you will find their story written there. Animal relationships aren't that different from human ones. It may be hard to believe, but Sundance came to us a complete and utter wreck, both physically and emotionally. He was so afraid of people, his only defense was to viciously bite and kick and not let anyone near. It took a long time, but animals will always trust again if you give them the chance. There is so much to learn from animals if one only takes the time to listen. My heart could break into 1,000 pieces when I think of all these animals have had to endure and the courage and bravery they've shown in trusting again. It is a trust that is sacred to Matthew and I, and one we hold dear. Hurt and abused animals come in all shapes and sizes, just like humans. How deep that hurt goes can manifest itself in many different ways. Animals show us that wounds can heal and life can begin again, even if those wounds still show on the outside. Animals truly are amazing creatures. They love unconditionally, and if you let them, will stay by your side, loving, protecting, and keeping you laughing for their lifetime. The work we do can be very difficult in more than one way. Saying goodbyes are the worst, and letting go of someone you've loved with every ounce of your being can be very hard and never gets easier. A normal person only has to say goodbye to a pet a few times in their lives, but for Matthew and I and this many animals over the years, the goodbyes become too many. But I try my best to put myself out of it because the life we've given them is worth so much more than any amount of pain. My life with animals is always an adventure and always meaningful. To belong here with them and to have a full heart, to me, is worth more than rubies and diamonds, and worth more than a life filled with material objects and ambitious goals.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
I know this video will ring true for so many of you. For those of you who have had your heartstrings pulled by a furry friend and who have known what it is to belong in their world. Winter is a time for hunkering down, and I am very good at that. I find enough to keep me busy here at this old place with all these animals to care for. Sometimes I wonder if I should be turning my attention to other things, but what? Making more money? Buying more things? Going on vacation? I see people around me buying, trying to fill an empty void, trying to find anything that will make them happy. But then I look into the eyes of animals who, if it wasn't for Matt and I, certainly would no longer be sharing my breath, and I cannot turn my mind to that. To me, nothing is of greater value than these living, feeling, sentient beings that I call friends.